Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the ships underway function in the marine traffic application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the tools section, click on the settings button. And then click on the vessel options button. And then if you scroll down, look for the ships underway button. And in order to enable this, just click on the white circle next to it. And once it turns blue, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.